Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Claude AI for competitive research. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To get started, first open Claude and make sure web search is enabled. In the prompt area, click the plus icon and look for the web search option. Make sure it's turned on before continuing. Once web search is enabled, you're ready to start researching. Now you can enter a prompt describing exactly what you want Claude to compare. For example, you could ask Claude to compare Trello versus Asana for management. You can request specific details like key features, pricing, strengths and weaknesses, ideal use cases, and whether one platform works better for teams or individuals. The more specific your request is, the more useful the results become. After sending the prompt, Claude will begin gathering information and organizing it into a structured comparison. Instead of showing random search results, it can summarize the information into an easy-to-read format. You may see comparison tables, feature breakdowns, pricing summaries, strengths and weaknesses, and recommendations based on different use cases. For example, one platform might perform better for project management and collaboration, while another might be stronger for organization. Claude can also highlight areas where each platform performs well and where limitations exist, making it easier to understand the differences at a glance. You can continue refining your research by asking follow-up questions. You could ask Claude to analyze customer feedback, compare alternatives, identify missing features in the market, or summarize recent trends. This makes it useful not only for comparing software, but also for researching products, businesses, and entire industries. And that's it. So that's basically how you can use Claude AI for competitive research. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.